clouded with thoughts of discontent. Although we live in a season that gives me the reason to very easily just fold in. I shouldn't let it get to me, just always assume with time it steadily goes away. Looking ahead and I see it fading along, just like rain falling down on me. It doesn't matter, it's just the same. Let the water set me free. The sun will shine again someday, but for now, let it rain. Just let it rain. Just for now. Just let it rain. One thing about it in life, don't you doubt it, there'll always be these things. As you should prepare, don't get caught unaware. It could only bring despair. Keep your spirit up high, your sight on the sky. The rain won't always here remain. I'm looking ahead and I see it fading along, just like rain falling down on me. It doesn't matter, it's just the same. Let the water set me free. The sun will shine again someday, but for now, let it rain. Just let it rain. Just let it rain. I woke up this morning, there were raindrops falling all over me. Heavy storms, they bring a warning. Lord, I wanna be free, I gotta be free from this pain, from this rain. Lord, it feels like heavy rocks on my head. Give me the sunshine in the morning. Oh, there's no giving up, I never give up. So bring on the rain, bring on the rain falling down on me. It doesn't matter, it's just the same. Let the water set me free. The sun will shine